This is a video on how to use the recurring fees widget. First, we have to add the widget to the welcome page. To do this, we have to click on the Setup menu option at the very top and then select the Widgets option. Next, we have to click the Add button at the bottom. For the caption, we can name the recurring fees widget whatever we wish. I'm going to go ahead and call it recurring fees. For the roles dropdown, we'll go ahead and select the Browse button. Here we can designate which role can see this widget. If we leave everybody on the left, everybody will be able to see the widget. Next, under the Type dropdown, we will select Recurring Fees, and then click the OK button. We're going to go ahead and click the OK button again. Here we can see all the recurring fees across all accounts. To add a recurring fee type to an account, we must first create the recurring fee type. First, click on the Setup option at the very top, then select Maintain Recurring Fee Types. From here, we can go ahead and add our recurring fee type by clicking the Add button. For the description, we can type in what this recurring fee type will be about. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use a vendor fee type. We must now create the transaction type that this vendor fee will be associated with. We do this by clicking the Browse button to the right. Now click the Add button at the bottom, and then type in the description of what this recurring fee transaction type will be. For the GL account, we can designate what general ledger account this information will sync into from the QuickBooks link. From the general ledger account type, we can select what type of general ledger account we're going to use. For the general ledger account, we should usually match the description of the transaction type. The payable checkbox will determine whether this is going to be a payable transaction or a non-payable transaction. We'll go ahead and click the OK button, and then click OK again. Now we can use the monthly vendor fee transaction type with this recurring fee. The amount is how much we're going to deduct from the account. The fee frequency is how often we would like to deduct the amount from the account. And then we can go ahead and click our OK button. And OK again. Next, we must attach the recurring fee type to the account. We do this by going to the account list and selecting our account we wish to deduct the fee from. In this case, I'm going to use John Smith. Next, we will click on the Task button at the top left, and then select Recurring Fees. Now we'll go ahead and click the Add button. We will select our fee type that we recreated earlier. The Start Billing Date dropdown designates when we will start using this recurring fee. The End Billing Date will determine when we will stop using this recurring fee. If the end billing date is left blank, then it is used indefinitely. We can click the Preview Transaction button to see all the dates that this fee can be charged. Then we'll click the OK button and then OK again. If we go back to our welcome page and refresh, we can see that this fee can now be charged because we have reached the correct fee date. As an employee, all you simply have to do is check this list every day and then click the Process button to process all the recurring fees across all accounts seen on this widget. You'll be prompted with, "Are you sure that you want to process these fees?" Go ahead and click the Yes button. And then we can now see what that fee looks like on John Smith's account. We're going to go to Transactions, and then we will refresh the page. And there's our monthly vendor fee. This was a video on how to use the Recurring Fees widget.